One of the best places to see sunrise in West Java is Cukul. Located in 1,600 meters above sea level, Cukul are only 3 hours away from the city center of Bandung. In a district called Pangalengan, it's positioning in the southwest of Java. Cukul famous for the past 2 years, so in the weekends, it was not so packed of people. To find Cukul was easy. Right after you enter the gate of Cukul Estate, you will find a sign on the side of the road where you had to take a turn. The entrance to the sunrise point was only 3,000 rupiah per person. What makes Cukul special is the view. In the downtime, you will start to see 5 to 10 hills in the background, making a very beautiful layer. Also, when the sunlight starting to rise, they starting to hitting the trees, so it will making a dramatic ray of light.